Let's see how to fix if your AirTag didn't make the sound, the emergency sound louder. First we need to confirm that. Open Find My and switch to items. Then click your AirTag, scroll up a bit and hit the play sound. Okay, for me it's a new cell, so that's why you hear the loud sound. If it's low or no sound, 100% you need to change the battery. You just hold your AirTag like this and place your two thumb over this disc and rotate in anti-clockwise. That's it. It's popped out. So you just need this battery CR2032. This is the battery they are using. So it's a universal battery. You just go to a local supermarket and just buy a set of this battery. This will be more helpful for our daily needs. So this is the battery they used on your motherboard, PC motherboard for clock time purpose. Just tear one. And take the new cell, and here you can see the plus indication. It says it's positive side. It needs to face upwards when you connect. So just take this. First we need to reset the AirTag. So just place like this. You hear the sound. So you hear the short beep. It's first time. You need to do this process like remove and connect until you hear the long beep. Sometimes it may be 5 times, 7 times, up to 12 times. I see this. I see sometimes it will like 1 or 2 times. So just second time, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th. You hear the long beep. So you see we feel the difference. So it's resetted completely. Now take the cap. Here you can see the cut. Here also you can see the cut. Just place like this. Okay. Now rotate in clockwise and that's it. It's done. It's sealed. So you can probably see the connect here. If you doesn't see, close the screen, open the screen, unlock the screen. Boom, it's popped out. So make sure you turn on the internet and Bluetooth. That's it. So you successfully fixed the sound issue. Let's check that. I just connect. Now just click play sound. So it's working good. So this is how you need to do. The thing is the battery. The issue is the battery. If the sound was very low or medium, or you didn't hear any sound, it's the battery issue. Battery gets drained if the day passes. So you need to change the battery. So that is CR2032 battery. That's it. And if you want to know more videos about AirTag, you need to watch this playlist.